This is Monica Peters. This is Java 2, Week 2 project review. My thoughts on Fragments. They're interesting. Remind me of very object-oriented, and I still have a ton to learn about them. This week just went by so fast. I wish I did have more time to learn how to get more comfortable developing an app with Fragments. I have a pretty good idea, but there's still a lot of things that I want to experiment with, especially with list views. Advantages, disadvantages I see with Fragments versus iOS. Geez, I haven't even had time to think about answering that one, and I only have a few minutes left before this project's due, so advantages and disadvantages, I don't know. At this point, I'm so new to this Java and Android development. I'm gonna say it's all the same to me right now. Obviously, I'm more comfortable developing with Objective-C because I have more experience with that than with Java. So right now, the advantages of iOS is that I have more experience with iOS. So it's hard for me to answer that question right now. What would I have done differently if I could? Only because, you know, with only having 1 week to learn all of this, things that are new to me, and the syntax and everything, plus with Google I/O this week, I downloaded that Android Studio and totally screwed up my machines and had to, oh my gosh, what a week it's been. But anyways, what I would have done differently because of the time constraints is I would have created a project right from the start with master detail view, but that would not, maybe that would not give me the experience I got this week with developing Fragments from scratch. A few things that could use more clarification. This week, everything was clarified. It was really clear. We had some great videos from the teacher. I found tons of great reading. Again, I just wish I had more time to experiment with all these new things I'm learning. That's all I have to say about that. And let's see if this is running yet. No, my emulator is not running this week on this machine. So I guess I'll give a quick code overview. Here's my main activity, and you know, it's pretty much the same as my code last week, except I broke out the UI stuff into a fragment. And then here's all my XMLs. My layout is all in XMLs. I even did the portrait with a main and also dealing with my blog posts. And I'm doing a grid. I even experimented with a web view this week. Still a little bit, like I need to learn more about that, so I'm more comfortable building with it though. I still use my separate file functions class that I created a few weeks ago, and that's all I could say right now. I need to upload this in time for my due date. Alright, see you next week.